Here I have INFINIX Smart 7, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So to do this, firstly you have to select preferred language. I'll just stay with English, then tap Start. Then you have to select your region, could be United Kingdom for me. Then you can insert SIM card, but if you don't have SIM card on, you can just skip this step for now and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any opened Wi-Fi network, you can just skip this step for now and do this later. Then you have these operating instructions. Then you have these terms of use. I suggest you to disable this user experience program. Then tap I have read and agreed to the above terms. Then you have Google services. I suggest you to disable them and then tap accept. Then you can set up screen lock, but you can also just skip this step and do this later in settings. Then you can transfer files from your previous device by just cloning your whole old phone or something like that. You can try it out now, or you can just set up device as new by skipping this feature, and device is ready. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.